Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a controlled baseline so you know what's draining the battery. Charge to roughly 50–80%, then close background apps and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you aren't using them. Once done, enable Battery Saver and monitor usage for 10 to 15 minutes to see the immediate drain rate. This quick test isolates obvious culprits and gives you a measurable starting point to compare changes, so you can tell whether later adjustments actually reduce consumption. Next, you tackle the most common hidden drains, screen and apps. Lower brightness and set a short timeout. The display is often the biggest consumer. Then open battery usage and identify top draining apps, force stop, restrict background activity, or uninstall anything unnecessary. Make sure to disable background refresh, location access, and auto-sync on apps that don't need real-time updates. These steps reduce constant wake cycles and network use, which is why they make an immediate difference in runtime. Finish by rebooting the device and repeating the short drain test to confirm improvements. If you still see high drain, update the operating system and app versions, then reset network settings or system settings selectively. These often fix runaway processes. If problems persist despite updates and setting tweaks, check battery health metrics. Significant capacity loss means replacement. One troubleshooting tip: if drain spikes after an update, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps before doing a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.